Matt from UAV America. We're going to take a look at the 3DR Y6 here today. One of the cool things about this is it's so small. It's very tiny and easy to transport. The front arms fold up if you need them to make it even smaller. It's a relatively inexpensive machine. It's made out of standard box tubing aluminum. The parts are very cheap, very easy to work on and fix and access all the components. This guy is primarily designed to carry a GoPro on a gimbal or a small FPV or FLIR camera. Several different options, but it's in the smaller end of the scale. Some of the jobs that this machine can do are inspections for infrastructure such as pipelines, bridges, and other things, agricultural use for monitoring fruit orchards or crops, and aerial surveying for 3D mapping and other applications. With the Hexacopter flight controller, you're able to do unlimited waypoints and run all different types of missions and trigger different actions at those waypoints on those missions. So it's got a lot of great features to it, and it's relatively inexpensive. The Hexacopter is a piece of hardware made by 3D Robotics, able to run any of the APM code bases on it, so single rotor helicopter, multi-rotors, rovers, boats, fixed-wing airplanes, all those types of code can run on this one autopilot. It's got a lot of different ports on it, telemetry ports, GPS ports, compass ports, things like that. It can take a lot of different inputs from different sensors. Comes ready to fly. It's got 6 20-amp ESCs. It's got the 3DR Hexacopter with the telemetry radio. You can monitor all types of flight parameters on the ground, flight mode, battery voltage, altitude, distance to home, ground speed. All that kind of data that the flight controller has can be sent wirelessly down to your laptop or Android device, so you can monitor it on the ground. You also need the telemetry radio in order to send a waypoint mission to the copter. It's got 3DR U-Blox GPS module with the external compass, a power module, a Tyrannus transmitter, and a FR Sky X8R S-Bus receiver.